What happened, sir?
The theatre owner humiliated me in front of everyone.
Can you tell me clearly, sir?
He told me that I'm a bloody good for nothing. He insulted my department itself. He should know what a police force is.
What do you want us to do, sir?
Encounter! Not a single one should be alive. You should manage it without anybody knowing.
Yes, sir.
Hey, why are you beating us? Don't hit me. Please, don't beat us. Please, yaar. Please don't beat us. Whatever we do, we both do it together.
No, what? You both do it together? But it doesn't look like that. You did what you wanted to, now you're blaming him.
Hey, please don't beat me, brother. Please tell them we both did it together only.
Why are you getting me caught? You are the main culprit for this job, right? Sir, you hit him, sir. You hit him, sir.
Hey, stop it. I am telling you, stop it. Please give me some rest, no? Beat him for some time. Brother, please come. You also get beating for some time. Go.
Hello, sir. Sir, don't, sir, it's paining, sir, please, sir, it's paining, sir, don't. Hey, Big Mustache, actually, both of us together did this job, sir.
Now you guys hear him talking.
What is this, sir? They're saying they did everything together. What do we do now?
Hey, come inside.
So she's here?
Between these two guys, who was it? Is he your father? Brother, this is not our matter. It is my matter. Personal. You don't worry about it. I will take care. Okay. Let's come to the point. About this matter, I should have told you before. But I was really busy for the past 2 days. That's why I couldn't tell you. I want to marry your daughter. You find a good auditorium. We will fix the marriage that date. What are you saying about that? Hey, why are you beating me now? I am telling you, I will get married to her. Hey, please stop. Stop it, man. Stop it. Just stop it now. Go, man. Hey, old man. You have no idea who we are. Behind us, you will see police coming and even mafia gang will come behind us. If something happens to us, nobody will go home alive. Beware of that.
What are you guys watching?
Do you even know who you're talking to?
Hey, don't beat me. Please stop it. Hey, I'm talking. No. Hey, see that? Our people have come to support us.
Hey, stop. Where do you think you're going?
Go inside. I said go inside. What do you want?
If you pay me the money, I will leave.
What money?
Shh. He had to come now only. Hey, don't beat me, please.
Why are you hitting me? Hey,
please.
Don't hit me. Hey.
Who are you guys? What do you want?
See, I told you. Kill him, sir. This guy was showing so much scene. Come on, sir. You can do it, sir. Kill him, sir. I told you, our guy will come. Come on, sir. You can kill him, sir. Come on, sir.
Shut. I myself have 4 people working under me and he says...
He's the main guy.
Oh, I see. Come here. Come.
Sir.
Where's the box?
Sir, you have mistaken me. I'm not that guy.
What? What is this, man?
So, is he the main guy?
Yes.
Oh, what is this? So where is the other guy?
Look there.
Why are you showing me the bags, man?
Look next to that. Somebody is there.
Oh,
See?
yeah, right. What are you doing there? Are you peeing in between the bags or what? Pick that fellow up.
Come here.
Is he the one?
Yes.
You're hardly the size of a box and you whacked my box for what? Pick up all the luggage and put it in my...
Wait! I want this guy!
Even I need.
No, sir. Just leave him here.
Huh? What do you mean? He's right. I'll drop her here and then I'll take this fellow and go.
Wait! Do you know who I am?
Hey, this is my old dialogue, dude. Do you think I carry this napkin for wiping my face? It is to shut my ears when someone screams. I'm mildly allergic to loud noise.
Hey!
Hey, let's go before he starts screaming.
Hey, come with us.
Who is this female?
Hey, cover my sister. Yeah.
Oh my god.
What is this? Is this a video game?
Whoosh, man. Oh my god. Oh god. Hey, come on there, escaping man. Hey, wait. Oh my god, they are gone. Oh my god, they are all gone. Oh, they have escaped. Oh my god.
Huh? Sister, that's not him. I know, but how did he? I don't know how he got in. But still, he has given me a very good company.
Get up!
Don't beat me.
Go down! Go! Keep quiet!
Please. No.
Who was that man?
Kanjana, sir.
What?
Gun bite Kanjana, sir.
And she came looking for you. or what?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes.
Bloody fellow. The chaos that she created, 4 of my fellows have run away. Bloody shit fellows. I just need my box back. Hey, where is the box man?
Wait, I'll ask him. Hey, where's the box?
What do I know? I think it must be definitely with him only.
Where is that fellow man?
He has been kidnapped by Kanjana, sir.
Oh, she actually came looking for you now. Why did she take him? Now where do I go and search for her, man?
Tell him.
Hey, in between, who put the interval, man?
Sir,
Yeah.
that is not the interval. It is the ringtone of my phone.
Oh my god. This one, huh?
Yes, sir. I am a big fan of that guy. I am the head of the fans association also, sir. In my life, I should also become like him and dance with all the heroines. That's my ambition. I am being alive only for that.
Shit. Sister, phone. Talk. Hello.
Hello.
Is that you?
Are you her?
No.
Then why did you answer the phone?
Then why did he
I
call?
want to talk to her.
I want to talk to him.
Give the phone to her.
I said give the phone to him.
Hey, speak to her. Ask your friend to come back.
No. I don't want to talk. I don't want to talk. You talk.
Hey, what will I speak, man?
You can definitely talk. Please, please. I don't want you talk.
Speak to her.
Mwah.
I show up on movies and she's doing this to me.
See, I knew it. I knew it. She does this with everybody. You don't worry, sir. You go ahead. Go ahead.
Hello. I am the owner speaking.
Where is he?
Where is that fellow?
I want him back.
I also want him back.
Exchange.
Exchange. Okay.
Oof. What do we do now? I wish Otto's over here. Otto!
Where do you want to go?
Oh my god. If they would have got a pregnant woman, she would have also delivered. Oh my god. Invisible scoundrels.
That's a very good movie. It's been running for 75 days.
You bloody scoundrel.
This dialogue is new. I haven't heard it before.
Now I'll keep repeating it very often. I thought she's a foreigner and she'll be punctual on time, but she's making us wait, huh? Wait, let her come. I have it for her.
Sir, you have no idea what she can do with you for 1 week. If she comes to know you spoke like this, she will take a video of you.
Hey, what are you saying, man?
Yes, sir. She is porn star.
Boss, I see an auto coming.
Hey, who's riding an auto in the middle of the forest, man?
That too a share auto?
Hey, it's our people only, man. Come.
Auto jar.
Boss, business.
Hey! Send him across.
Not possible. Send him across.
You first send him here, and then I'll send him there.
I won't trust the person who's wearing a blue shirt.
What, man? Watching blue is only a problem, right? Wearing blue is also a problem, or what?
Most girls don't like the truth, boss.
Okay, now see my performance. Hey! Can we both do it together or what?
What?
Boss.
Hey, businessman, idiot. Where did I leave, man?
Sir, you both together can do something.
Hey! Why don't we do it at the same time? You send him, I'll send this fellow.
Okay.
Sir, I don't want to go.
Hey,
Please,
if you don't
please
go,
don't leave
he's
me,
not
sir.
gonna
I
come
don't want
here.
to go with her.
Go.
Please, sir. Please,
Hey,
sir. Please understand,
don't
sir.
start
I
arguing
don't
here.
want
You
to
go,
sir.
you just go.
Go.
You can send him from here and take him from there. First give the money and send me from here.
Hey, stop pointing your guns, man. The fellow is returning, will stop coming.
Brother, please save me from her. Please.
I was planning to have the initial tomorrow, but you made us part away.
Brother, please
leave me.
come with me.
Go. You go and enjoy with her, buddy.
Go, brother.
Go. Buddy, you inquire about me to her. I'm always strong, buddy.
Hey, keep walking.
I'm coming, sir.
Why are you standing there and wandering about, man?
Sorry, sir.
Come on, pick him up.
Shit.
Kick him in.
Slowly.
Madam, I want to go with them.
Get inside.
Madam, please, madam.
Madam, you have to push the auto.
Shit.
Hey, the box. Where is the box?
Box.
Make it fast, man.
Box. Now I remember, sir. Now I am able to remember, sir. My friend has cheated me, sir. I'm able to remember now, sir. Sir, my friend has cheated me, sir. Believe me, sir. He's cheated me, sir. Sir, my friend has cheated me, sir. Sir, he's got the box, sir. Sir, please believe me. Don't shoot me, sir. Sir, please believe me. Catch him, sir. He's got the box, sir. Sir, believe me.